Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
The place, the players, and the passion. This is your front row seat to sports action that never stops. I am 𝗬𝗵𝗲 and this is Sportify.
Champions, rise, rise, Sportify, the fire in your eyes, keep pushing limits, feel the beat, chasing greatness can't be beat,
the grind, the glory, and the guts.
In the blazing heart of Bicol, a new legend is rising from the fierce and electrifying world of sports. From the humble barangay of Tamban in the municipality of Tinambac, Camarines Sur, emerges a force to be reckoned with. She is a volleyball phenom who's not just playing the game, she is writing her own narrative. Now, the nation watches as this hometown hero storms the court and shakes the foundations of the volleyball.
And the power of 𝗬𝗫𝗃 Sarie is ever present.
A freshman athlete representing the Letran Lady Knights, recognized in this year's NCAA Philippines as the Rookie of the Year, Freshman of the Year, and Best Outside Spiker.
And the power.
A historic feat for a Bicolano athlete, making her mark in the national sports scene. Good day, Sportizens! Today is an extra special as we sit down with a homegrown hero who proves that no matter where you come from, greatness can be within reach. Let's meet the pride of Camarines Sur, rising Oragon volleyball star, Vanessa Sarie. So Sarie, kamusta ka naman ngayong araw?
Okay lang po so far, and so tired lang po sa biyahe kasi galing pa po ako sa bahay.
Oh, so how far does it take, or let's say, how long does it take to travel from Tinambac to Naga?
Yung ano po niya is 2 hours po ata yun, or 1.5 hour po.
So doon ka talaga lumaki?
Opo.
Can you tell us a little something about your childhood?
Yung sports, ano ko po talaga, nasa family namin kasi lahat kami mahilig sa sports. Sa parents ko, both sila basketball and volleyball. So parang namana lang namin lahat. Yun. Yung 4 na kapatid kong lalaki, basketball player din.
So nasa paligid na talaga, nasa environment mo.
Sa environment.
Yeah. Pero can you share with our viewers kung paano ka nagsimula? Kung what age ka nag-start mag-train? Kung nagustuhan mo na ba talaga yung volleyball at an early age?
Yung sports ko po talaga is badminton. Doon ako nag-start grade 5. And na-switch lang po siya ng grade 6 kasi may naka-discover sa akin ng mag-volleyball. So, yun, kinuha niya po ako sa player ng volleyball. Then, doon na nag-start. Nagtuloy-tuloy siya hanggang grade 7 ako, grade 8. And naging varsity din ako dun sa school namin. And na-represent din namin yung school namin na sa division meet po. Dito din po sa Pili, yung mga palaro yun sa DepEd. Hanggang division meet. So magpapalarong Bicol po sana ako ng grade 8, then nag-pandemic. So yun, naputol. Then nag-start ulit siya ng grade 11 kasi nakuha na ako ni 𝗕𝗲𝗵𝗶 si Ate Pochi po yung nasa inyo ngayon. Siya yung backer ko sa NCF. Kasi dati ko siyang ka-team dun sa amin. So parang same din kaming nag-start kasi badminton, teammate ko din siya sa badminton. Then nag-switch din kami ng grade 6. Parang same lang din. Then nag-start and nakuha niya grade 11, nakuha niya ako. Pumasok ako sa NCF. And then yung NCF kasi, dream school ko din kasi nakapagtapos din yung papa ko doon. And naging varsity din yung both parents ko. So, yung mother ko kasi, hindi niya napatuloy yung naputol po ba yung journey niya sa varsity sa NCF. So, parang inisip ko lang din na kung ako yung magtutuloy nun, and mas maganda. Parang ako lang.
So actually, na-mention mo kanina na grade 8 ka when you stopped. Not really stop, pero kumbaga, nag-pandemic kasi, di ba? So, parang nag-pause lahat ng bagay. So, ano yung reaction mo nung pagbalik mo ng volleyball training grounds? Ano ka na, senior high school ka na? Hindi ka ba na-shock sa environment, sa training programs, sa pressure?
Nung nag-start po ako sa NCF, nandun din yung adjustment ko na mahirap din, syempre, kasi hindi din ako sanay sa city kasi province po kami. So, andun yung adjustment ko na ganito sa tao, sa environment. Wala lang, na-proud din ako sa sarili ko kasi nalagpasan ko din naman yung, naging independent po naman ako kasi ako lang naman dyan. So, malayo sa family ko. So, yun, proud ako sa self ko.
Yes, and ngayon pupunta ka ng Manila, right? So, kamusta ba yung living conditions mo sa Manila? May times ba na naku-homesick ka, namimiss mo yung teammates mo?
Nung nung unang mga week ko sa Letran, siguro mahirap po, syempre. Pero yung personality ko kasi sa una, shy talaga ako. Hindi ako makihalubilo sa mga teammate ko. Pero ngayon, kaya ko na din na magpa-Manila mag-isa. Kaya ko na din sanay na din ako sa environment ng Manila, yung ingay ng Manila, ganun. Parang mabilis ako nakapag-adjust kasi may mga taong tumulong sa akin, yung mga teammate ko, yung mga ates ko, yung mga seniors ko, yun. Makapag-adjust ako ng mabilis kasi dahil sa kanila din.
That sounds really nice, Annie. And actually, you're a proud product of the Naga College Foundation, di ba? So how did your time at NCF shape your discipline, skills, and mindset as a student-athlete?
Yung NCF po kasi, tinuruan talaga ako ni Coach Barlin na, syempre si Coach Barlin kasi, as a coach, matapang talaga siya, andun talaga yung aggressiveness niya. So, parang nadala ko din yun sa Manila na parang maging matapang na lang sa lahat ng mga bagay na kinaya ko din yung hirap ko sa NCF. So, makakaya ko din yung hirap ng Manila. So, parang proud din ako sa sarili ko and nagpapasalamat ako sa NCF kasi kung di dahil sa kanila, wala din ako sa Manila. And wala din ako dito.
So, from provincial to city, now to national ka na, right? So, ano yung mga challenges na na-face mo nung nag-a-adjust ka from provincial, from city here sa Naga, now to Manila?
Yung tao din po ata and yung environment kasi hindi same. Yun din naisip ko po ang layo ng Naga sa Manila. I mean, nasanay po kasi ako dito sa Naga na yung mga tao, vibes ko, yung mga kasalubong ko, na, diba, mga player or yung mga tao dyan sa libotan, kapag nakasalubong ko, parang okay lang makipag-interact sa kanila. Yung Manila kasi, mahirap makipag-interact sa mga taong hindi mo talaga kilala. I mean, hindi mo ka-humor, parang ganun. Yun din yung napansin ko na mahirap i-adjust sa Manila, din sa province, sobrang layo talaga.
I see. Well, aside from that, Sari, may mga tao ka rin bang laging nakakasama? Or may mga tao nag-a-advise sa'yo kung anong dapat mo gawin when you're in Manila? Kung paano ba dapat?
Meron po. Totally, yung close ko talaga din sa amin na nag-ano din sa akin, nag-advise kasi seniors ko sila. So, last playing year na nila next year. So, parang sila Ate Lars, hi! Ate Lars, Ate Nat. Ina-advise nila ako na ganito naman lagi ba sa una eh. Mahirap talaga sa una. Pero kapag nasanay ka, yun na lang. Mag-flow na lang yung life mo sa Manila. Ako kasi, hindi naman kasi ako sa Manila, hindi naman ako laging lalabas. After ng training namin, nakahiga na lang ako minsan. Tapos lalabas na lang kami pagkakain. Kasi nandun din yung, malayo kasi yung kinakainan namin sa. Pero yung environment ng Manila, goods naman po siya. Pero sobrang ingay lang talaga compare sa province.
Well, I agree with that, Sari. May mga moments talaga na mamimiss mo din yung pagkakalmado ng environment or ng lugar. Pero other than that, naku-curious din ako kung paano ka napadpad sa Letran, di ba? Kasi siguro madami naman nag-o-offer sa'yo ng mga school, if I'm not mistaken. So, pwede mo bang ikwento sa amin kung paano ka napadpad sa Letran?
Scout po ako. Siguro, si Sir Joel po kasi nagsabi sa amin na kukunin po kami ni Coach na ganito, ganyan. So, hindi lang naman po ako yung product ng NCF doon. So, 5 kami. 5 kami galing sa NCF. Pinackage na kaming 5. Kinuha niya kami sa Letran. Kasi, parang gusto nilang parang parang yung plano nila mag-make ng history sa Letran. Parang gusto nilang mag-champion Letran. Kaya binigay kami dun. So, yun po. Kinuha kami ni Coach kay Coach Parley, kay Sir Joel. Parang yun din po, trinade kami dun sa Manila. Kaya po nakuha kami sa Letran.
Well, pwede mo ba i-describe sa amin yung moment na official player ka na? Ano yung nararamdaman mo nung sinabi sa'yo na, official ka na, you're part of this lineup for the NCAA?
Wala po, di lang ako nag-expect sa sarili ko kasi ayoko lang na mag-expect ako tas hindi ka magagawa. Like, ako po kasi nakafocus na lang ako sa dapat kong gawin na naka-line up ako. Okay, gagawa na lang, iisip na lang ako ng paraan para makapag-contribute ako sa team namin. And syempre, andun din yung pressure kasi first timer eh. So, na-overwhelm pa masyado. Nag-a-adjust pa din po ako sa environment ng NCAA.
And ako-curious din ako, Sari, kasi napakaiba yung regional sa collegiate level na, no?
Sobra po. Grabe yung adjustment ko.
So, kamusta yung first game mo? Ano yung tumatakbo sa isip mo? That time na nasa loob ka na ng court and na-realize mo, this is national na. NCAA na to. It's for big schools already.
Yung time po kasi naglalaro ako versus JR, yung first game namin. Wala po, inisip ko lang, ito na pala yung NCAA. Andito na pala ako, naglalaro na pala ako. Hindi ko lang na-feel, pero nung time na pumasok yun sa akin, sabi ko, andito na pala ako. So, naglaro na lang ako kasi sabi ko, nandito na pala ako. So, okay, gawin ko na lang yung dapat kong gawin. Lalaro na lang ako. Yun lang, just go with the flow lang.
Wow. Wala naman talaga minsan yung mga bagay, it comes the least you expect it to come. But anyways, let's talk about your recent NCAA success. Being named Rookie of the Year, Freshman of the Year, and Best Outside Spiker. So what did those recognitions mean to you? Especially nagaling kang Bicol. Di ba? Yung Bicol, hindi siya masyadong known for producing a lot of national or collegiate level players. What do those awards mean sa'yo as an athlete?
Sobrang halaga po sa akin yung award na yun. Kasi so far, pinaghirapan ko naman siya. So, I think deserve ko naman ata. Kasi binigay ko naman this season eh. Binigay ko lahat sa season namin. Kahit first year ko pa lang, andun yung mindset ko na dapat, hindi naman ako nag-expect sa sarili ko, pero andun lang yung mindset ko na kailangan kong makapag-ambag sa team namin. It's either hindi ako makakuha ng award, as long as nakakatulong ako sa team namin, mas okay ako doon.
I see. Very humble, Sari.
Pero thankful pa din po naman ako sa award kasi.
I see. But anyways, Sari, your first year college, what's your major?
Marketing po.
Marketing? Wow! Why did you choose marketing, if you don't mind?
Wala po eh. Di ko po alam talaga yung totally course ko. So, halos marketing kami lahat.
I see. Well, napakagandang course naman talaga yung marketing. Pero siguro kung wala ka sa larangan ng volleyball right now, ano sa tingin mo yung ginagawa mo ngayon?
Siguro po, nag-aaral lang. And siguro, di ko alam ata.
That's okay. So,
Naglalaro lang po ata, siguro.
Naglalaro lang. So wala ka bang course before na napag-isipan? When you were, let's say when you were a child, may dream job ka ba or dream career na nasa isip mo?
Yung family po kasi namin, known siya sa mga teacher. So, yung mga pinsan ko and then yung lola ko, yung papa ko naging teacher. So, yun din, namulat din po ako sa teacher na family. Parang naisip ko din mag-education. Din po, yun yung first option ko. Pero si mama din, gusto din ako mag-education. Pero sabi ko parang hindi ko kaya. Ganun. Eh, hindi ko naman gusto yung pagtuturo.
Yun nga. You have to follow your heart kung saan ka magaling and saan yung passion.
Siguro magagamit ko naman po yung marketing after na.
Yes, that's true. Pero at least nalaman ng viewers natin, no? Pwede pala magkaroon ng teacher's Sari kung sakali.
Siguro hindi po bagay yun.
Hindi bagay. Anyways, kung magiging teacher ka, anong subject ituturo?
PE.
PE. Automatic na. Okay, so Sari, let's get back to your achievements. So, ano yung reaction ng family, ng hometown, ng coaches, and ng mga dati mong players when they knew about your achievement, when they heard about it?
Na-feel ko naman po yung proud nila sa akin eh. Kasi nung umuwi po ako, sabi niya, si Vane, nag-uli ka pala. Sabi niya ganun. Parang yung heart ko po na sobrang saya kasi parang dati hindi naman ako napapansin, ganto, ganyan, sabi ko. And madami na din nagpapapik sa akin, sabi ko dati, nagtatambay-tambay lang ako sa bahay, dinadaan-daanan nila. Kasi lang, napaproud lang po ako sa sarili ko and syempre, nagiging thankful na din kasi ako sa kanila. Kasi napaproud sila sa akin kahit kabarangay nila lang ako and yun, parang sobra yung nila, proud nila sa akin. So, nakakataba ng puso po.
Pati ako naiiyak kay Sari. Ay, na-touch. But anyways, thank you so much, Sari, for sharing that. Napaka-touching din naman talaga ng story mo in terms of the sport volleyball and also in life. Now, before we continue, thank you to 𝗵𝗲 Coffee for the place located here at Barlin Street, Naga City. If you're looking for a cozy spot to relax, study, or meet friends, this is the perfect place for you. And of course, affordable and good quality drinks and foods. Support local, support quality, only at 𝗵𝗲's Coffee. When we return, we'll take a closer look at Sari, how she continues to put Bicol on the map in the volleyball world. Stay with us only here on Sportify.
Keep chasing greatness, don't stop, stop. Sportify your spirit, make it pop, pop. Old rugged champions, we're on top, top. The grind, the glory never drop, drop.
Do you think 𝗵𝗲's Coffee is more than just a coffee shop? A place where people feel at home?
Yes, I think that 𝗵𝗲's Coffee is more than just a coffee shop, but a place where people can call it as their own. At Mary's, we strive to give the best cafe experience for everyone while having that homey feeling so that our customers could go on with their daily life, their daily tasks and routines, or just simply have that casual moment or catching up with friends and families while enjoying the cozy ambience of our cafe and the great taste of our coffee and food.
Is every drink on your menu made with passion and local pride? Ano yung binabalik-balikan?
Yes, every menu on our drink was selected with great considerations and factors. We only want to serve the best drinks while considering customers' value for money and quality and satisfaction. Actually, we have 6 series for the drinks. For our coffee, customers would often go for the Spanish latte with sea salt cream. I think it's because of the sea salt variation. And customers also comment on its taste, where it doesn't taste too sweet even despite the use of our sweeteners, but they can still taste the strongness of our espresso. For cola, it's the cherry mint cola, made with real juicy cherry, cool mint, and cold foam. For cocoa, it's our cocoa banana with real cocoa and banana pudding, giving our customers a new drinking experience. And for matcha, it's actually everything on the menu. Because as long as there's whisked matcha and a little bit of extra flavor, may it be banana pudding, cocoa, or even affogato, people really go for it. All of our lemonade also are selling too. But I'd recommend the Americano lemon soda because if you're looking for a little bit of twist for your lemonade, then it's the best citrus drink that you could have. And lastly, for the tea, it's our vanilla Earl Grey soap from one of the best tasting brands of tea bags.
Would you invite everyone to come and experience the cozy vibe of Mary's Coffee for themselves?
Actually, there's already a lot of people trying to come and experience the Mary's Coffee or have the Mary's Coffee experience. And well, in fact, the first one to try our bestseller, which is the Spanish latte with sea salt cream, is none other than our Mayor Lenny Robredo. So you'll never know unless you try. So I invite you all to come at Mary's Coffee to have a different and fulfilling cafe experience suited just for you. So you'll have a unique and wide offers waiting just for you. So what are you waiting for? Satisfy your cravings and avail of this exclusive offer for a new, homey, and different cafe vibe.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree? We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand.
Hashtag market your future. It all starts here at the Naga College Foundation, BFBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
Oregon champions, rise, rise. Sportify the fire in your eyes. Keep pushing limits, feel the beat. Chasing greatness can't be beat.
The grind, the glory, and the guts.
Welcome back, Sportizens! You're still watching our special feature on Vanessa Sarie, the NCAA's newest volleyball sensation, straight from Camarines Sur. So now, Sarie, let's get back to our interview. But before that, meron tayo dito napakasarap na drinks from Mary's Coffee. So Sarie, ano ba yung mahilig mong, or should I say, ano yung hilig mong inumin when you're in Manila?
Yung mga ates ko po kasi mahilig magkape. Sang-aya na, tara, Bane, kape tayo. Lalabas po kami ng school sa dorm namin. Pupunta kami ng Mapua para magkape.
I haven't heard of that before. So ano ba yung pinakasikat na kapehan sa Manila?
Sobrang dami pong kapihan dun eh. Di ko na din po alam yung yung pinakasikat. Pero meron din po din yung Intramuros Cafe. Masarap din.
Intramuros. Napakaganda din ng place ng Intramuros, right? Di pa ako nakakapunta dun eh, but hopefully soon. So anyway, Sari, let's get back to our interview. Stepping into NCAA and making a huge impact as a rookie is no small thing. So what was your mindset going into your first season and how did you stay focused despite the pressure?
Yung pag nag-start yung season po namin, di lang po talaga ako nag-expect sa sarili ko. Maganda yung start ko and pinag-pray ko din po na maging healthy yung team namin and other teams na naglalaban sa NCAA. So, parang yun po, kung yung focus po, maintain ko lang yung discipline and then yung sacrifice ko sa season namin kasi double round po. So, yung katawan po talaga namin mabubugbog. So, andun lang po yung dapat yung disiplina sa sarili. Hindi mawawala. Yan lang po yung mindset ko.
And also sa NCAA, ang dami mong makakalaban na mabibigat talaga. So, meron ka bang team na pinaghandaan during your first season?
Lahat naman po ata na teams pinaghahandaan namin eh. So, every training po namin, yung teams na mga kalaban namin, pinag-aaralan namin. Parang nag-aaral lang po kami talaga ng normal na student, parang ganun. Nag-viewing kami and pinag-aaralan namin kung saan sila mahina, kung saan sila malakas. And nag-training kami. Yan yung tinitrain namin.
Pero for this season 100 of the NCAA, sa tingin mo, sino yung pinakamabigat na naging kalaban ninyo?
So far po, Binild talaga and Arellano. Yung Arellano po kasi, nung time ng first round, natalo kami. Yan yung parang first loss namin sa first round. So, doon po namin nakamit yung unang pagkatalo. Then, na-down kami kasi di nga po kami kondisyon. Kasi midterms week nun, and dalawa yung game namin. And isa lang yung araw na pahinga, yung pagitan. Then, kalaban namin. So, wala kami. Parang wala kaming mga laro. Parang isa lang yung bumubuhay. Then, yun lang po. Nahirapan din talaga kami sa Arellanos. Nagaling din po talaga sa Arellanos.
Narinig ko na din yan from other viewers. They say na napakaganda ng match ninyo during that time. So, wow! Since you played in high-stakes games already, what personal values or routines help you stay grounded and consistent on the court?
Ako lang po yung ginawa ko lang talaga eh. Di nawawala yung disiplina sa sarili mo para maging consistent ka. Siyempre, andin yung pag-aalaga mo sa sarili mo and yung proper mindset po talaga yung kailangan. So, nasa ibang level na po ako ng volleyball, so kailangan ko prepared lagi. So, yun, nagpapahinga ako ng mabuti and iniisip yung mga bagay na positive.
Yes.
And si God po, di nawawala sa amin.
That's true, sorry. Lalo na't malayo ka you're far from home. Right? So may mga moments talaga na isipin mo, medyo parang nakakapanghina. But when you focus on the positive things, medyo ma-energize ka na naman ulit all throughout the day. Now, anyways, how do you define being a great teammate and what do you do personally to contribute to the chemistry and strength of the Letran Lady Knights? Kasi before pa pumasok si Sari, napakalakas na team na talaga ng Letran.
Ako po kasi, yung na-build ko lang na sa team namin, siguro yung pagiging makulit ko din. Kasi lahat po kami makukulit eh, so nagkakasundo din kami. And syempre, as a team, di nawawala yung problem namin na kung hindi pagkakaintindihan. Pero yung season po namin, mahirap nung nag-start, nahirapan po kami kasi yun, may mga problems dito, may mga problems dyan. Pero na-proud ako sa team namin kasi yun nga po, nakapasok pa rin kami ng finals and ma-reach po namin sana yung goal namin this season. So, pero yun na po, kinapos. And yung pagiging good teammate ko, siguro na dadaan ko po sa sa pagiging makulit ko sa kanila. Yung mga jokes, parang hindi nawawala sa training namin yun. Kasi pag nawala yun sa training namin, parang yung training namin walang gana. Lalo na si Ate Lara pag nawala sa training namin. Yung boses nun, Legit yung boses ko.
Well, that's true actually. Pag gusto mo yung kasama mo, mas lalo mo may enjoy yung training, di
Di
ba?
mo po maiisip yung pagod pag nag-enjoy ka sa training. And yung mga kasama mo nag-enjoy lang din, then masaya kayo. Di mo na ma-feel yung pagod kahit sobrang tagal ng training namin.
Wow, then that's good to know. At least alam ng mga kababayan mo here sa Bicol na you're in good hands.
Yes po.
So anyways, as someone now seen as a role model for young Bicolano athletes, especially girls, what advice would you give to student athletes striving to reach their goals in both sports and studies?
Yung mga advice ko lang po talaga sa mga bata na naglalaro ng volleyball, patience lang po sa sa time nyo. And yung discipline di mawawala. And yung trust kay God and sa mga coaching staff nyo, makinig lang kayo sa mga coach nyo lagi. And yun nga po, bigay nyo lang yung best nyo every game and magsipag lang and tiyaga. Yun lang po talaga yung punan.
Okay, and lastly, a message to your supporters, your family, your coaches who have helped you to become the version that you are right now.
Nagpapasalamat po ako personally sa family ko na laging nakasupport sa akin, si Mama and si Papa, yung mga kuya ko. And yung mga friend ko sa NCF, syempre, hindi nawawala yung mga dati kong teammate. Hi sa inyo. And kay Sir Joel, kay Sir Tracy, kay Sir Mario, and syempre kay Coach Parley. Kung wala po kayo, wala ako dito ngayon. And sobrang nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo. And sa mga supporters po ng team namin, and sa akin personally, na nagpapasalamat po ako. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat kasi hindi kayo nagsasawang magsuporta sa akin. And binabati ko po yung bayan namin sa Balaton and yung Tinambac, yung bayan ko, Tinambac. Tamban po. Hi. Happy 18th birthday kay Dada. Yan lang.
Thank you so much, Sari, Vanette. Your success reminds us that greatness isn't defined by where you start, but by how you push forward. And to our Sportizens, if you're looking for a training ground where legends start, visit Naga College Foundation, where dreams are built and champions are made. Like Vanessa Sarie here, who isn't just a rising star, but a symbol of hope for every young dreamer in Bicol and beyond. Again, a big thank you to Mary's Coffee for providing us with a warm and welcoming space. Don't forget to drop by and enjoy their delicious drinks and comforting vibes. Truly a hidden gem for every Sportizen out there. Be part of a community of champions. Enroll now at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, where dreams take root and future legends are shaped. With 22 sports programs, excellent coaching, scholarship opportunities, and a supportive academic environment, NCF is the perfect place to unleash your potential on the field, on the court, or in the classroom. Journey to greatness begins today. Visit www.ncf.edu.ph or follow at Naga College Foundation Incorporated on Facebook for the latest updates, enrollment details, and more. Dream big, train hard, be a Tiger today! Until next time, Sportizens, keep the fire burning, keep chasing your dreams, and remember, at NCF, champions are made. The grind, the glory, and the guts. We live it, we breathe it, and we bring it to you every time. Ihahatid namin ang pinakamalalaki at bidang liga. Catch us every Saturday, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our official Facebook page and YouTube channel, GNN TV 48 Naga, Bida ang Bicolano, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Keep pushing limits and keep chasing greatness. I am 𝗬𝗵𝗲 and this is Sportify.
With courage and heart, we'll rise and play. Be a champion, be a Tiger today. Feel the beat, the rhythm's alive. In the heart of the brave we thrive. NCF calling the fearless to stay. Join the quest.
Tanga diri ko nababay na GNN TV 48 Naga.
Kalma! Lumipat lang ang GNN TV 48 Naga sa channel 48.1.
What?
Direk, ang simple lang ng solusyon dyan. Kunin ang remote, pumunta sa menu Setup o Settings, at hanapin at pindutin ang Scan at hintayin. Then, boom! Balik na si GNN sa Channel 48 mo. Para sa mga balitang nangunguna at napapanahon,
At sa mga programang swak sa panlasa mo.
tutok lang sa GNN TV 48 Naga
Bida ang Bicolano!